लास्ट ईयर एक वीडियो वायरल हुआ था जिसने सुकून ही छीन लिया। अ बॉय बाइंग एन आईफोन व्हाइल हिज मदर स्टूड नेक्स्ट टू हिम इन अ फेडेड साड़ी, हाथ फटे हुए और चेहरे पे थकान। द सेम वुमन हु सोल्ड फ्लावर्स आउटसाइड अ टेम्पल। उनके बेटे ने 3 दिन तक खाना नहीं खाया जस्ट टू फोर्स हर टू हैंड ओवर हर लाइफ सेविंग्स। शी सेड, मैं मंदिर के बाहर फूल बेचती हूँ, पर उसने जिद ही नहीं छोड़ी। दैट बॉय wasn't just buying a phone, he was desperate to be noticed। क्योंकि आज की दुनिया ने हमें सिखा दिया है कि अमीर दिखना ही अमीर होना होता है। This is India's fake rich crisis, the gap between असलियत और दिखावा। Today we'll see the signs of this lie and ask the most uncomfortable question, क्या आप भी इस दिखावे का शिकार हो? In Lucknow, a 19-year-old boy took a 2 lakh rupees personal loan, not for college, but for an Armani hoodie and a PS5. All this while his father teaches at a government school for just rupees 28,000 a month. सबसे दुख की बात यह है कि उस लड़के को इस कर्ज का वजन तक महसूस नहीं हुआ। A father's lifelong sacrifice is traded away just so that the son can feel like he matters in the crowd. This is the performance economy. We are literally buying Instagram stories of lives we aren't even living. People are flaunting 75,000 rupees outfits on salaries of 26,000, with credit cards quietly maxed out in the background. Nowhere is this more obvious than in Indian weddings, जहाँ पे luxury venues, designer sets are all funded by loans that take literally decades to repay. शादी एक दिन की, लेकिन EMI 10 साल की. The real audience was never the couple. It was the neighbors and the colony WhatsApp group. This teaches us the lesson that it's not a celebration. ये एक महंगा तमाशा है with a hidden bill that lasts a lifetime. It always starts with the same trap. Bro, it's just 4,200 a month. क्या ही फर्क पड़ेगा? Nobody does the math. But the math is brutal. India's BNPL market has crossed more than $30 billion. Maldives की entire GDP से 4 गुना ज़्यादा. And Gen Zs hold nearly 40% of that burden. Amazon Pay Later, Flipkart, Myntra, हर installment अपने आप में छोटी लगती है. So nobody really adds them up. But suddenly, there's a rupees 15,000 of invisible debt eating your month before it even starts. दरअसल हमने अपनी खुशियाँ इंस्टॉलमेंट्स में ले ली हैं, पर सुकून का कोई EMI नहीं होता है. If an asset depreciates and requires debt, you aren't an owner. You're just a renter of status. Banks bait you with a 1% cashback and lounge access, making your brain think like you're winning. But if you aren't paying in full, that tiny cashback is sitting next to a 48% interest rate. आपने रुपीस 1,000 cashback में तो बचा लिया, पर रुपीस 10,000 तो इंटरेस्ट में ही गवा दिया ना. You basically paid a premium to feel rich while getting poorer. इसलिए the lesson here is that सबका lifestyle visible है, पर उनकी balance sheet hollow है. Ask yourself once, how is everyone actually affording this? The truth is that most of them are just better at hiding the struggle. The perfect life on your feed is usually a timeline trick. Someone posts a car in January, a Maldives trip in March, and the new watch in June. Your brain sees a billionaire, but reality says the car took 3 years of savings and the trip was just credit card points. आप अपनी पूरी जिंदगी की मेहनत को किसी 15 seconds के filtered life से compare कर रहे हैं. India's savings have hit a 50-year low because half of our youth is living paycheck to paycheck. Real wealth is built in the gap between what you earn and what you spend. But fake wealth kills the gap instantly. And when this dikhava stops being enough, people start chasing something far more dangerous. A 21-year-old in Indore gets 80,000 for a coaching course, but dumps it into a billionaire mindset Telegram group because the admin has a Lambo in his DP. And any guesses what happened after? In 11 days, the entire money is gone. He wasn't stupid. He was just being brainwashed to believe that patience तो बस बोलने की बात है. उसे लगता है कि कंपाउंडिंग तो बुजुर्गों की बातें हैं. And the only real way to win is a shortcut. When Elon Musk tweets, people who don't even know the basic of finance empty their savings in minutes. This desperation pushed credit card defaults up by 44% in a single year. By March 2025, young India is borrowing at a 40% interest rate to chase a 10% dream. Feeding this fire is the circus of influencers. MLM agents yesterday, stock gurus today. They fill the gap left by an education system that never taught us the value of rupee. आजकल की जनरेशन अपने करियर के फैसले 60 सेकेंड की रील देखकर कर रही है, where the only qualification is a ring light and a loud voice. This isn't investing, it's a gamble dressed in a suit. In a country of 1.4 billion, everyone talks like Ashneer Grover on Shark Tank, but only 3% actually touch a mutual fund. Just 3%. The rest या तो अपना पैसा सेविंग्स अकाउंट में रहने देते हैं या फिर donate it to some telegram god with a Lambo DP. We've mistaken the loud noise of a few influencers for the success of a nation. असलियत तो यही है कि 97% लोग सिर्फ इन्वेस्टिंग खेल रहे हैं, while they are just one medical bill away from total collapse. Real wealth isn't your CTC. It's how long you'd survive if your boss fired you tomorrow. With no emergency fund and no adequate insurance, our lifestyle is built like a house of cards, ready to fall on the first sign of a major hospital bill. The most dangerous part of this culture isn't an EMI. It's the hollow void where a future was supposed to be. Income is what you earn, but wealth is what you keep and multiply. और जिन्हें ये समझ आ गया, उन्हें कभी दिखावे की जरूरत भी नहीं पड़ेगी. Narayan Murthy drove a second-hand car for years after founding Infosys. Azim Premji flew economy and personally switched off lights in empty offices. Ratan Tata, a man who could own every luxury car on earth, lived simply and gave quietly. ये वो लोग हैं who are worth billions. पर इनमें से कोई भी उस रेस का हिस्सा नहीं है जिसमें आज के फेक रिच खोए हुए हैं. Because real richness was never about what you own. It is always about what you don't need to prove. Here are the things to think of if we really want the change within us. The fake rich aren't villains. They're just scared that without the filters, they aren't enough. Ads और reels ने हमें एक ये महंगा झूठ बेच दिया है. But the real flex isn't loud EMI. It's quiet freedom. So stop performing for people who don't care. Start boring, win quietly, and build something that lasts forever, even beyond life.